Revolution, Republic and Restoration, a new virtual environment for students of A-Level History, brought to you by the National Civil War Centre, made possible by a grant from Art Fund. This virtual environment is linked to the requirements of the history syllabus for AQA, OCR and Edexcel A-Level. Students and teachers can tour the galleries of the National Civil War Centre, exploring 17th century artefacts, archives and stories. Click on the blue tags to read object labels or access media such as photos, databases and interactive PowerPoints. You can watch a film about how to load and fire a musket or another that shows the cutting power of 17th century swords. Click on the yellow tags for a mini lecture from one of our academic partners. 12 experts in the history of the British Civil Wars have recorded short lectures on their areas of research. Cromwell as a military and political leader, Charles II and the Restoration, the Divine Right of Kings, Thomas Fairfax, the Levellers, the Irish Conquest and more. Meet history professors, authors, lecturers and PhD students. Inspire your students by showing them where their history qualifications can lead. The virtual environment is available only through our website, where you can find more links to resources and activities for schools. It's free of charge for the 2021 summer term, so get in touch with us now for free access to this exciting new resource.